What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you find best deals in the market. Alright, so today we'll be going over top penny stocks under $1. So first off, we have ticker sign GRNQ. They are currently bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10 as well. They had a high last week of $1.58. Overall ending pretty positive. After hours going up to 76 cents, so looking very positive on GRNQ. Volume is still significantly high on this one as well, with the VWAP being significantly over the moving average 10. So definitely going to be looking to see how they perform for next week. So next week price target that I have for them is going to be around 92 cents as well as $1.14. So first going to look to see if they can hit that 92-cent level, which is the moving average 10 currently. And then going to be looking to see if they can hit that $1.14 level. Next, we have ticker sign SNDL. They had a low last week of 68 cents. Overall, still bearish on them, moving average 10 below 50 and 100. They did end on a positive note to end the week. They ended at 70 cents. So they will have to go retest 71 cents and 74 cents. Overall, 74 cents going to be my price target for them for next week. Hopefully, they can break through that and start a new bullish upward trend for SNDL. Next, we have ticker sign NAKD. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is significantly above moving average 10. So definitely looking positive on both of those indicators. They had a week high of 58 cents. They did fall down after hours, going down to 55 cents. So going to be looking to see if they can retest that 58-cent level for next week. So this could be our price target for NAKD is 58 cents. Next up, we have ticker sign PROG. They had a large fall last week, hitting a bottom of 65 cents. They ended the week at 68 cents. But as far as price target is concerned, I'm going to be looking to see if they can retest the moving average 50 and 100 line, which is going to be around $1.37 and $1.53. So these are all stocks that are under $1. Very helpful that you can use to build your account. Just bear in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest or not to invest into any of these stocks. Stocks under $1 are very risky and are very volatile as well. So they move up and down very fast. Make sure you do your own due diligence after watching this video. And this is from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. Next, we have ticker sign NVIV for NVIVO. They had a week high of 80 cents for last week. They're still bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10. It looks like they bounced off the moving average 50 line for last week. They ended the week at 66 cents. A level I'm going to be looking at for them is going to be 68 cents and then 80 cents. So those are going to be my 2 key targets for them for next week is 68 cents and 80 cents. We'll see if they can reach that. Ticker sign NVIV. Next, we have ticker sign CEI for Canberra Energy. If we zoom out, we can see that they are bearish. They had a low last week of 33 cents, but then started to bounce back up and rally back up after that. So nice little increase towards the end of trading for last week. They ended overall at 35 cents. For next week, I'll see if they can test 36 cents and then 40 cents. So those will be the 2 target prices for them, which are the moving average 50 and 100 lines. So 40 cents and 36 cents for CEI. Next, we have ticker sign ESGC. Now, they did have a low of 50 cents for last week, but shot all the way up to 77 cents. Held at that level for quite a while and then fell back down to become bearish towards the end of the week. Now, they did end the week on a positive note at 60 cents, but a level I'm going to be looking at for them is going to be 77 cents. So I'm looking to see if they can retest this 77-cent high that they hit last week coming from the low of 50 cents. Next up, we have ticker sign TXMD. They're bearish as well. Moving average 10 is above the 50, so that's nice. But it looks like they tried to test the moving average 100, shooting all the way up to 81 cents, but couldn't quite get through that resistance level. So definitely going to be looking to see if they can retest that for next week. So 80 cents is going to be my target price for them for next week. They did on a positive note to end the week at 78 cents, so very close to the 80-cent level that I have for them for next week. So definitely going to be looking to see if they can retest that 80-cent level, continue this bullish upward trend. And that is TXMD. Next, we have ticker sign MOHO. They are bearish. Moving average 10 is above the 50 but below the 100. We can see on here that they did shoot up to 73 cents for last week. So definitely gonna be looking to see how they perform for next week. 60 cents was a low for them. We can see that the moving average 100 line is at 65 cents. So that's going to be one of my price targets for them is 65 cents. See if they can break through that resistance. They're going to be looking at 67 cents and then going to be looking at 73 cents. So realistically, the 67 cent and the 73 cent going to be the two key target prices I'll be looking at for MOHO. And last on here, we have ticker sign NXTD. They shot up last week to a high of 72 cents, ending the week at 69 cents. Overall, still bearish on this one. The moving average 10 is under the 100, but above the 10. Above the 50. So definitely gonna be looking to see how this performs. If it can rally back up, looks like they bounced off of the moving average 50 towards the end of the week and start to rally back up. Going to be looking to see if they can retest this 72 cent level. So that's going to be a target price that I have for NXTD. So hopefully everybody has a great week of trading out there. Make sure you put a comment down below which stocks you think has the most potential to go up from this list. While you're down there, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps YouTube out in front of the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.